How to save video from CapCut to gallery. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to save video from CapCut to gallery. So in order to save video from CapCut to gallery, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up your CapCut application and make sure that you're connected to an internet service. So when you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to the home page. So here you could go ahead and press the edit button and then add a new project. Let's go with the new one, and when you've actually added a new project, just click on the add button. After you've done that, now on this page you could go ahead and make changes with all of these information, such as add audio or maybe change the ratio, all that. And when you're done with that procedure, click the export button from the top right hand side corner. Turn to 100%. It indicates that you've successfully saved or exported video from CapCut to gallery. Next, what you have to do is you could also go ahead and share it on different platforms such as WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook, whichever you like. And that's basically how you can save or export video from CapCut to gallery. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.